What's up, guys? Ed Calvo here. So today we are doing water pump on a 2008 Jeep Commander. So here we use the 15mm socket to remove the serpentine belt. Easy. Loosen that up. Get that belt out the way. Boop. You already know. This water pump is not hard, so don't get intimidated with this water pump. Easy. It has a lot of space. And now we are removing the idler pulley because there's a bolt from the water pump hiding behind it. So you got to take that out the way. Same socket, 15mm. You go ahead and remove that thing out the way. Got the electric ratchet now to finish taking it off. Save some time. Save some time. Use the right tool. There we go. Now we are gonna start removing bolts from the water pump. We didn't have to drain no coolant on this thing because it leaked it all out. So it was bone dry. So I just went to go get the new water pump. So I like to light the new water pump nearby. This is the new water pump. And then while I take the bolts out of the old one, I put them in the same order on the new one, because I don't remember how many bolts exactly, but there's a couple bolts that are longer than the other ones, so you don't want to get those confused. If you mess that up, it can be a big headache. So put them in the same spot. So here we're removing the bolts out of the water pump. I went and loosened them all by hand first, regular ratchet, and then I go with the electric ratchet. Remember, those electric ratchets, yeah, they save time, but they don't have a lot of torque, so you don't want to break them. Get all those bolts out there. And there we go. Getting them loose. Yeah, I'm pointing there trying to see what the heck. There's a tip on how to get that out. I figured it out later, but keep watching and continue watching all the videos. Here we go with the electric ratchet. Ooh, it saves so much time. There you go. Taking one out at a time. Putting it on the new water pump in the same order. Like, just make sure that the layout is the same. Like, put it in the same form that you're taking it out. Just a quick tip: the weep hole goes to the top, so that's how you know that's the top of the water pump. Just so you keep that in mind. Remember to follow me, El Calvo 92. Also, if you need any type of work like this, contact me, Quick Start Brakes and Lube, 813-703-5039. Here we just continue. You see the bolts? The last bolt was small, and then the two bolts before it was like two big bolts. You don't want to put them in the wrong spot. That's why I do that. Don't let that be like, oh, I'll remember it. No. Just do it you'll do it quick, and then you don't have to worry, because now you know for sure where they came off from. Put them in like that. There we go. Follow, guys. Thank you for